Hi friends, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. Today let's make 3 different and simple chutney recipes that goes well with almost all South Indian breakfast items. Let's quickly learn Kathrikai or Brinjal chutney, coconut chutney and spicy tomato chutney. The first one is Kathrikai or Brinjal chutney. This is very famous chutney recipe from Coimbatore and it is a must try. This chutney's greatest combo is coconut chutney. Let's get started. For this chutney, I am taking brinjal and chopped them as you see in the video. Next is green chilli. Alternatively, you can take red chilli also. I have chopped tomato and I have pearl onion. You can add regular onion if you don't have small onion. Please refer to the ingredient list for the exact measurements. This is a very quick chutney and it is done in pressure cooker. Let's put all the ingredients in the pressure cooker one by one. If you are new to Mano Cooks, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you can see me every time I post a new video. So now once we have added all the ingredients, add salt, add turmeric powder, add oil. Here I am adding regular cooking oil. Alternatively, you can add castor oil if you have. Add water little less than half a cup. Now close the pressure cooker and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Once pressure goes off, open it and mash it with a masher or a hand blender as how you see in the video. Quick tip here, please do not puree it in a mixie. Important tip, please do not blend them when it is very hot. Basically, we are looking to mash everything together. That is the total idea, just so that we cannot make out the ingredients as you see in the video. Now to finish this Kathrikai chutney, let's heat some oil in medium flame, add mustard seeds. Once they crackle, add urad dal. Once that gets browned, add broken red chilli and curry leaves. And now turn off the flame and then pour this on top of the chutney. That's all. Now we are done with our very tasty, delicious and quick brinjal chutney. This is a must try recipe. Our next chutney is all-time favorite coconut chutney. We always love the taste of coconut chutney in restaurants. So let's quickly learn how to make exact same tasty chutney at home. It's a very simple recipe and gets done in less than 5 minutes. Please take a note of the ingredients. For this chutney, I am taking all the raw ingredients in a mixie jar as you see: coconut, ginger, green chilli, salt and roasted chana dal. Now let's grind everything for few seconds as you see, and then we will go ahead and add water in batches and grind it into a paste. So here I have added 1 cup of water to grind. If you want, you can add less water and keep it in thick consistency. Now our coconut chutney is ready, and an important point here, please do not microwave or reheat the chutney any time before you serve. That changes the taste of the chutney and the texture of it. Now to finish off this chutney, let's heat a small pan on medium flame, add some oil, add mustard seeds. Once they crackle, add urad dal followed by broken red chilies and curry leaves. Once all that splutters, turn off the flame and pour this on top of our ground coconut mixture. Now coconut chutney is all ready to be served with your favorite South Indian idli, dosa, vada or pongal. Enjoy. Our third chutney is spicy tomato chutney, which is always accompanied with coconut chutney in all our South Indian homes for breakfast. Very simple yet very flavorful, and with a little tangy and spicy, this chutney is ultimate and no fail recipe. Let's get started. For this, we will take roughly chopped onion, roughly chopped tomato, salt, dried red chilli. Important tip here, you can adjust quantity of red chilli according to your taste, garlic cloves and finally little grated coconut. Now heat a pan on medium flame and let's add 3 tablespoon oil, and once it is hot, add garlic cloves followed by dried red chilli. Now saute for some time, and after that add roughly chopped onion and let's saute everything until the onion changes color. Please note, do not brown the onions here, just allow them to turn pink and transparent. At this stage add salt, give it a quick mix, and this is the right time to add the chopped tomato. Now let's cook everything until tomato turn mushy as you see in the video. Finally add coconut and give everything a mix and turn off the flame. Coconut would get cooked in the heat of the ingredients. Once everything cools down, transfer them into a mixie jar and grind everything first few minutes without adding water. After that, add half a cup of water and grind it into a fine puree. To finish it off, heat a small pan on medium flame, add oil. Once it is hot, add mustard seeds followed by urad dal, broken dried red chilli and curry leaves. Once everything Crackles, turn off the flame and pour it on top of our spicy tomato chutney. Now our tangy, spicy and finger-licking good tomato chutney is all ready to be served. It is best served with coconut chutney alongside. These three amazing chutneys are a must try in every home, and I'm very sure you will be a big fan of all these three. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel and share, and do comment how it turned out for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll meet you with a very interesting recipe in my next video.